July tani leji shalbaribo 6 schedule amsani joto Swrangchati phang okrabai kaisa nangkukmani kokjabo asukmani ketal direni shige bhaso BUBAGRA sakbaitang ajaro BUBAGRA samari Bangladeshni kota jobanoti nangkukmani kok sabari tei engtongjorni halornoti khurjabani abri lugulugi botebo samari Bangladeshni Prime Minister eba Montri Bokorok Sheikh Hasina tomong bini asuk thani kari engai thangke Tripura khobai notice hastini kereng hasteo bobahai halok engaiman abroti nangkukmani kok sabani kreneri thangnai leji July shalbari BUBAGRA tamak
I'm not sure if many of you all know, but the third largest Hindu population country in the whole of the world after India, Nepal is Bangladesh with 1 crore 70 lakh. Now it may be very less for Bangladesh, but where Mizoram the population is 12 lakhs, Meghalaya is 24 lakhs, Tripura population is 15 lakhs. In Garo Hills, you are already in problem in Mahendraganj, Mehndi Patthar side. In Jaintia Hills, I have so many of my Jaintia brothers and sisters. I know what is happening. I know how the people are walking in. And we have open borders with Bangladesh. Right now, Bangladesh is in problem. And if there is any problem in Bangladesh, Sheikh Hasina is a friend of India. Her father was a friend of India. But if she is gone and she is not any younger, she's 78. There's an undercurrent of Jamaat-e-Islami happening in Bangladesh. And if Jamaat-e-Islami comes to power in Bangladesh, the first people who will be targeted, Chakma Babu will say so, will be the non-Muslim population in Bangladesh. They will start coming because there will be atrocities, the land will be, Bangladesh has a land problem, and they will start coming to the border. How do we identify who is who? There is pressure, 1971 will again happen. And vote bank politics means the tribals of Northeast do not have enough numbers to even influence our own state like Assam. How will you influence the rest of India? So we have to ensure that the government of India understands that when the tribal people of Northeast are fighting for their land rights, for the political rights, for the economic rights, we are the frontier to India because we know how to defend our land. We are the indigenous people, and if you can protect us, you are protecting India. So the politicians may not understand that, but the bureaucrats, the IB has a huge role to play in the strategic matters of Northeast, whether it is China, whether it is Myanmar or Bangladesh. So we have to convince the IB, the bureaucrats, the officials in the Home Ministry, that if you do not empower the indigenous people of Northeast, you are creating a problem for future, which is an internal security problem to the whole of the Northeast and India as such.
Welcome to the future of innovation, where minds meet technology and dreams become reality. ICFA University Tripura, your gateway to a world of endless possibilities. Our state-of-the-art campus is a melting pot of brilliance, a place where creativity and technology converge. From modern lecture halls to advanced laboratories, we provide an environment that fosters intellectual growth and hands-on learning. Our dedicated faculties are experts in their fields, passionate about mentoring the next generation of innovators. From adrenaline-pumping matches to our all-genre of sports, our campus is alive with the spirit of competition. Within the realms of Icaria, emerging as artists whose creations resonate with the heartbeat of artistic expression. Making Icaria the true epicenter of creativity, where innovation meets education. Join us on the journey to redefine what's possible. Your future begins here. ICFA University Tripura. Dream big.